This is Cooking with Crissy in the Lou, and I'm back. The potatoes have been washed. We got the onion and bell pepper in there. I'm gonna put a little bit of the canola over here in this other pan, so that I can be able to get those started. I'm gonna lean that up against there. You all may not be able to see it too much because that's my oil. Gonna get this all started because we finna get ready to season this chicken. I love this. The best thing to cook fried chicken with is a cast iron skillet. Good old fashioned cast iron skillet. It don't get more southern than that. So we got milk and eggs in here. I put like a 1/4 cup of milk in here. Not too much milk. It's enough to kind of coat the chicken, get the chicken wet basically. I wish this was buttermilk. That'd be even better. My refrigerator's so little, it really ain't no room to put nothing. I usually put 2 yolks in here, but I got 3 yolks in here because I was trying to handle too much stuff, and my whites had fell on the floor. All the white came out the egg, and all I had in there was the yolk. So I got 3 yolks in here. It's gonna be good and rich. And I'm gonna get ready to season this chicken. We're gonna add the flour to the seasoning to the flour. Lawry's. Old school Lawry's. McLary's. Onion powder. Let's see, sometimes these seasons get kind of stuck. Onion powder. Garlic powder. I love me some garlic powder. Garlic powder. Ooh, got to have the lemon pepper, babies. And I think I'm gonna sprinkle some of this after the fact as well, as those fish and chicken places here in St. Louis do. So got lemon pepper. Put a generous portion of that in. Lemons and chicken taste so good together. I think I might actually have enough pepper in it. Okay, let me kind of put these seasonings down. I can't wait till the Lord bless me with a bigger work area. My next house has got to have a bigger work area. It is hard to find places with nice size countertops. Woo. But this is, I want to open. This is a brand new thing, so I'm putting just some regular pepper in here too. And I put too much. This has already got the lemon pepper. And we're gonna put over some Italian seasoning. That's good with chicken. Put a generous portion of that in. Let y'all see that. All them good old seasoning, baby. Probably all together. It's probably just like oh God, I done shook it on myself. Lord. See, trying to work with one hand. Wasn't watching what I was doing. And I just put these clothes on too. I hate when I do that. So, gonna have an assembly line going on. But I'm not sure if this grease is hot enough yet. Probably need to put a little morsel of That's probably not. So we're gonna get our fresh chicken, roll it around in this milk and egg wash. This grease gotta make sure this grease is extremely hot. Shake off the excess. We're doing legs and thighs, dark meat today. So, sprinkle some. Just kind of shake the excess off of there. Kind of stand them up in the bowl to make room. Good old thigh, baby. Shake that off. Roll it around in that dough, baby. Yes. Just kind of stand them up until we ready, because we want to make sure when we do drop it in that grease that it is hot. Don't want no because what it'll do, it'll make your chicken greasy if it's not hot enough too. Sorry if the camera was away from there. It's gonna be too good, y'all. Too good. I think that grease almost ready and where we need it to be. Whew, my hand is full of flour and egg and milk. Whew. So he's just waiting to be dipped in the flour. Put some paper towels over in this bowl. We'll clean it out real good, and we're gonna drain our chicken in this bowl. I'm gonna get the other pan going too, because I want this all going at the same time. I probably need to get my what you call it. I'm gonna put this on too. No, that's the right one. Down whether that was the right one. Get that nice and heated up. Once that's hot, we're gonna spread a thin layer down in this pan and get these smothered potatoes going. Let's see, let me test it here. Yeah, buddy. See, that's such a big pan, boy. They probably cook all this chicken at the same time. That's what's so neat about those cast iron skillets. They hold a lot of food. Look at that. Working, baby. Work. Work. Work, you better work. Work, you better work. Work, you better work. Yes. It's gonna be worth every minute of the wait. Shake, 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 baby. Kind of scoot it around here. And we'll probably have room for this other one too as well. Like a puzzle piece. Perfect amount of flour. I'm trying not to waste. Trying my best not to waste, not to waste. Trying to, especially with these food prices going up, to learn how to use only what we need. No more, no less than that. There you go. Perfect. Look at it roll. Yes. Yep, I hope everybody had a good weekend, a good Sunday. I still had a good Sunday. I'm just glad to be in the land of the living. Glad that it's somewhat cooler in here than it was. And I want y'all to at least see me get these potatoes started. Let's see. You have to really be imaginative, boy, when you have a small kitchen, boy, I tell you. Yep, just a good old smothered potatoes, very simple. I probably put garlic, it's gonna be very simple. Garlic, let's see, garlic, black pepper, garlic powder, black pepper, onion powder, and seasoning salt. And I might add a little sea salt, because I love sea salt and potatoes to just bring out the flavor. That sea salt. Good old fried chicken, baby. Southern fried chicken with our egg wash. I believe I'm going to get me a big old spoon, slotted spoon, to put these potatoes over in. I think I'll be able to cook them all at the same time. See, I really need another big old pan like this. And the potatoes. Good and hot. It's so hot in this kitchen, it don't make no sense. I think that's about all I'm gonna put in there. I got a few more left in there. And we're gonna begin to season in this. Just a light coating of seasoning salt. Garlic. We're gonna bring it out. Onion powder, even though we have onions in there, I still want a little onion powder in there. It's like onion powder and garlic powder work together. And gotta have the black pepper. Sorry about that. Okay, so that's working. We got our chicken working. And I will see you in the next video. Ciao, cooking with Crissy and the Lou. Get into it.